All right. Good afternoon. It is March 22nd, 2021. It is Vlog 55. Woohoo! Cranking along. Awesome. Yesterday, just completed my 50th day of the 100 Days of Ook, and I'm excited. Halfway there for that, and the vlogs were just going along, man. Just talking about life and how my 50th year is going, and it's actually going all right. Woke up actually way too early this morning. I had stomach issues. Right now it's like 2:30. I've been having stomach issues all morning, so awesome. And now I almost feel good enough to do, well, I guess I'm doing the vlog. I gotta do it sometime today, so I'm doing it now. I just woke up from a little, oh man, I'm tired right now, but it's all good. I'll be smiley. But anyways, let me tune myself. That's what I need, I think. I need a little tuning. Nice. Actually, that makes me feel better right away. Awesome. Woo! Good stuff. Yeah, I woke up at like 4 this morning, and I just been off and on. I did eat some breakfast, and yeah, I had eggs and bacon this morning. Actually, I made pancakes, but my stomach's still feeling kind of weird, so I'm just chilling. But anyways, let's go over. I know last Friday, Vlog 54, I did late, so you guys already got already have the Friday recap. So yeah, Friday recap, but I did do my 100-day song that day. 100-day song of Ook was Tin Man, and that was good. I haven't done Tin Man in a while. America's a great group. March 20th, Saturday, I woke up late, I think. Yeah, I was tired. It was a busy week, so the weekends have been like tiring. It's kind of crazy. But woke up late, got for our live show, did my live show. I did the 100-day song, which was day 49, which I did Stand By Me by Benny King, and that was awesome. Had a Ook social, but no one showed up. On my Ook social at 2:30. I actually forgot to send out the email for that, but oh well, we'll see. We'll see what happened. No one showed up for Saturday. Everybody was busy. I think the COVID restrictions are kind of lifting, so people are getting busier and stuff. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. What else happened? Chilled out. Chilled out for the rest of the day. Again, I was tired. Carrie had gone to the shop all day, and then I just was taking care of like some video stuff that I had to take care of. Little computer work. I'm trying to gear up my computer right now because I think this week I'll be ordering a new computer. I did order a new monitor. That comes tomorrow. I'm excited, and I'm starting to order all my gear to redo this whole setup. So once I get everything, I'll start doing stuff. I'll film it so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. Get my desk ready for my virtual office. I should say, call it home virtual office, all set up and ready to rock. So it's gonna be good. Let's take a look at the weather today, though. Didn't do that. Weather today. What do we got? We have back in Long Beach, 61 degrees. Going to highest 63, but it's, wow. It's already past this high, so it's getting cooler already, so crazy. It's alright, I'm just chilling today. Yeah, I'm just chilling today. But, yeah, my stomach is not doing too well, so I'm just going to do a bunch of computer work and stuff, too. Which I always do anyways, right? And then yesterday, I was totally worn out. I woke up late. Like, I think I woke up at like 10 or 11. And then the Long Beach Ukulele Club, it was their 10th anniversary, and it was awesome. They had a socially distanced on Zoom. Everybody was there. Saw a bunch of people. Renee, Matt, Olive, Hoku, and everybody. It was cool. And they've been doing it for 10 years, and got to hear cool stories on how the Ook Club started, which was cool, and then how everybody got to know the Ook Club. Mine was like 3 years ago. Deb said, hey, they're having a anniversary thing, so I showed up and I filmed. It was fun. It was good times. But yeah, it was good. Sang a song. I think I sang a CCR song or something like that. Can't remember. Yeah, I think Rhythm of the Falling Rain or something. Or what did I sing? Something about CCR. I didn't sing CCR. And actually after that, it was just chill all day. I think I just zoned out. Sometimes you just need a day not to think about anything. I have a lot of stuff on my mind. Is going to be busy. Tomorrow I have an early ook lesson. And I think, what happened? And then I have Hadley as a lesson. There's been some ukulele lessons. Wednesday I have another handpan lesson. Wednesday I have the ook social. Thursday, I think something's happening. Oh, I have a live show with Miguel. Yeah, that happened. And what else is happening? Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff. There's like some appointments this week and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna take this day to rest because this week's gonna be busy again. And yeah, a lot of fun stuff. But other than that, today I think I'm just gonna chill. I tried to go do my laundry, but our dryer is broken. So either I'm gonna go walk down to the laundromat, or I'll just do it tomorrow, or wait for the dryer to get fixed. But I think I need some clothes, so I might roll over there if I'm feeling good. We'll see. We'll see in a minute. And I got some stuff to do. I still have to do my 100-day song. Today's 51. It's so awesome. I think I have a song picked out. It'd be cool. Let's check out some birthdays today. Birthdays. Dave Bennett. Mr. Bennett. I haven't talked to that guy in a long time. West Wing over here in West Long Beach. He has a brand of clothes, street clothes, which are really cool. And this weekend, let's see what birthdays we had this weekend. Nenele, Aloha, Nene, family friend, cousins, family from Hawaii, Amy Manuel, another cousin from other family. Amy Manuel is my Chad's brother's cousins on that side. Damaris Garby, Damaris from high school. Damaris, happy birthday. Awesome. Luis Bueno, Luis, my skate buddy, he was yesterday also. Auntie Jerry was 2 days ago. Songbird from Hawaii, still kicking it. She's awesome. I love her voice and singing. Happy birthday, Auntie Jerry. And that was the birthdays from this weekend all the way up today. So happy birthday to all those that I missed. Hopefully you had a great weekend or a great birthday. What did I learn this weekend? What did I learn this weekend? Let me go back to Friday. This weekend was kind of like, I was just like dazed, I guess, but I learned that sometimes you just need to take a break. I have a lot of stuff on my mind. There's a lot of projects that I'm working on, editing, teaching, computer stuff. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Actually, I was looking at my desk earlier, and I was just like trying to plan it out because, oh my god, I have to take all this stuff out and then reconnect it, and then, yeah. And I don't think I've moved this desk for a long time, so I have to get behind this file cabinet. It's gonna be really dirty. Just gonna clean everything out and redo it. It's gonna be fun. It'll probably take me all day, so I need to take a day for this too. And then at the same time still get my projects done. It's the life of a entrepreneur, business owner. We have to do everything. But it's great. We get to, there's benefits and there's drawbacks for everything, but the big thing is we always have to work, and got to pay to play in this day and age and in this society, basically. Yeah, there's the duality of life. There's usually, if you want something, you have to work for it. That's basically it. There's an equal amount. I don't know. It might be even more. You have to do more work for the good things that you want. But yeah, I think there's an equal amount of work for everything you do. And if you didn't pay for it, you will. Karma is a bitch. That stuff happens, man. So it may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, it may not be a few years from now, but it will happen. Karma is crazy. Yeah, that's a good one. Did I have any karma things that happened this weekend? No. Actually, what I'm learning is that, man, doing something every day is pretty awesome. And focusing. And actually, I had a good conversation, I think, Friday with a teacher, and we were talking about like how now like people are like, it's just weird. We've been on an autopilot for so long now. We have to think about things and figure things out. Woo! It's tough. It's tough, especially when you're not flexible or not tolerant. Especially, God, the thing this weekend with I don't know. There's that thing going around about anti-Asian racism, and I will talk about it because I've been hearing about this a lot, and it's kind of funny over the years. Like me, this is kind of crazy because I'm Asian. I'm Asian, yeah. I'm Filipino. I'm a Filipino American via Hawaii, and I think for a long time in my life, like I've had identity crisis because I was born here, moved to Hawaii when I was younger, and then came back and would go to Hawaii all the time, but it was between Hawaii and California. And yeah, it was a trip. It was a trip. I've had in my lifetime, yeah, there is Asian racism. I've been called all the names. Nip, Gook, what else? Harbor bomber. Oh gosh. Slant-eyed. God, there's so many. I've been named all of them. And the hilarious thing is that Asians get lumped into one, but we're all different. Like you have Koreans, Japanese, Chinese, Filipinos, Indonesian. There's all kinds, but when we come, like in America, we get lumped into everything. I don't know how many times I've been called like a nip or Japanese or whatever, a chink. It's like kind of crazy. Actually, I do have part Chinese in me too, so it's kind of crazy. I think about those times, and it's been that way. It's always been that way. It's just now I think we get to see it all the time because people are filming it. And yeah, being an Asian, yeah, there is a thing out there, and It's funny being like I was in the Air Force, and that you get to really see it. But luckily, like since I was in the Air Force, I was kind of like in a safe bubble. And then it's funny because if you do like when you're actually talking to someone and they're trying to figure out where you're from or what Asian ethnicity, the usual safe bet is, oh yeah, I'm from Hawaii. And then people like are, oh, you're from Hawaii, so it's okay. So that's, yeah, it's kind of a trip. Wow, we got a long way to go. We got a long way to go. And for this COVID thing, man, we've been learning a lot of stuff because we've been watching it. Like, well, like documentaries are things, me and Carrie, and we've just been watching all this stuff, and it's kind of crazy. Again, I've gone all this time, and all I've figured out is that we don't know anything, and we definitely need to learn. It's kind of crazy. So, yeah, that's my 2 cents on the Asian racism. Being Asian, yeah, you get it. You get it all the time, and it's a trip, and it still happens till today. Like when I travel with Kaylee and Carrie, they never think I'm with them. Is that crazy? I've gotten those points where they're like, are you with them? Are you with them? I'm like, yes. Pretty nuts, huh? That's life, man. If you don't think it happens, it does. And that's from somebody that's, yeah. And it's kind of weird because I've had the in because I'm from Hawaii. And in some people's minds, they don't think that as being Asian. But yeah, we're Asian. Pretty hilarious. They love Hawaii, but they don't. Oh my God, I don't even want to get into it. That's so crazy. But oh well. Yeah, it's just all about learning stuff, being aware, being tolerant, and getting away from all that thing. We are one. We all have to live together on this planet. We all affect each other. It's kind of crazy. So I hate to get on that rant because I don't like talking about that stuff. Doesn't make me feel good. But yeah, thought I'd throw it out there because they're talking about that now, and it's always been there. It's always been there. It's pretty nuts. We're all racist to each other. Everybody's racist against each other. It's so crazy. But anyways, we just need to get along, and hopefully we'll see it. Hopefully I'll see it in my lifetime. That'd be kind of cool. But all we can do is strive to be the best that we can be, right? That's all we can do. So we can't control anybody else. So with that, I think that's all I got. Today is March 20th, oh no, not March 20th. I'm totally on the wrong day. March 22nd, 2021. It is Monday. It is vlog 55. And that's all I have for you today. And like always, happy Monday. Hopefully I'm just going to take a break today. Chill out. Maybe play some music later. I will. But yeah, like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah.